Hi, my name is Hailey Atwood, and I am a third-year veterinary student at UC Davis. This summer, I was honored to receive the opportunity to work with the Sheep and Goat Veterinary Medicine Extension Lab as part of the Summer Work Experience program. My interest is primarily in production animal medicine and sustainable farming practices. I worked with Dr. Roselle Bush to get connected with other livestock veterinarians and provide education to rural communities regarding production animal welfare.
My passion for livestock medicine stems from growing up in the Central Valley of California, where I raised and showed my own dairy cattle. From there, I received a degree in dairy science from California Polytechnic State University in San Luis Obispo before continuing on my educational journey at UC Davis School of Veterinary Medicine. The Summer Work Experience program has allowed me to gain further insight into animal agriculture in the Central Valley, where I plan to return to in practice. While working with numerous producers, I was able to see many different types of operations. The sheep and goat producers allowed us to evaluate their lambing setups and offer suggestions for improvements, including aspects such as quarantine areas for sick animals to separate them from the young lambs and kids. We also evaluated the rams and bucks that were in the herd to make sure that they were sound enough for breeding and would be able to thrive in a pasture setting. We looked at their instances of sickness from the previous year, including abortion rates, pregnancy toxemia, and kid or lamb loss, and assessed their feeding and vaccination protocols. On dairy operations, I learned about methane digesters and new feed additives that may be able to reduce the environmental impact of farms. In addition, we assessed the facilities including bedding, milk quality, pulsators, and lung scan scores in calves to determine any areas open for improvement. We looked into their vaccine and infectious disease protocols, which was especially important on dairies due to the concern over the recent highly pathogenic avian influenza outbreaks. I was fortunate enough to be able to sit in on these consultations, which were given directly to the producers and employees on the facilities so that they can improve the welfare of the animals in their care. We also talked about proper protocols during a disease outbreak, including quarantine procedures, supportive care, and who to contact for testing. I saw some pretty incredible places and worked with some amazing animals this summer. The veterinarians were very patient and eager to help me improve my consultation and analysis skills. This will help me communicate my findings and give me more impactful consultations during my career.
California is the top agriculture state and has major impacts on the economy. The farmers here really do feed the world, and working with them was such a blessing this summer. They truly care about their animals and are open to suggestions on how to make their operations even better and more sustainable. I am eager to continue to build a relationship with my community when I'm in practice.